Okay, so going over the machine, I did some scratches up here, and then which would be, so. But then looking at the bottom, it's got this tear through the Velcro on the bottom plate. This one's just wrinkled up, no big deal. I think, yeah, that's just wrinkled up. And then this one is, now this one's torn also on the bottom plate. Shit. That one looks okay. That one looks okay. That looks okay. Boy. So, just laid it down and look at the bottom back of it. But here's the scratches all on it too. No big deal there, but scratched up there. Okay, let me go from there. Okay, so this is that TSP. Okay, so scratches I told you about. Now the other thing was, and also it only has reverse here. When I try to push forward, it's only working reverse. You know, these diamonds, they work in they're directional too. Of course it would run, but there is no way to go from reverse to forward here. I keep looking at it, and I didn't enter. And I'm not messing with program. I press it once, but you know, I don't want to mess with it, so I just clear that. I'll press stop. So it says stop, but I can't get it to going forward. Of course, you can power it on, and it starts in forward. And when you go to try to turn it up or anything, nothing happens to that. It just flashes, flashes, flashes. Nothing. And you can give it all the speed you want. It won't affect the dial. And I know you're supposed to take a load off of it, but you'll get numbers coming up anyway if you don't, even if you don't take the load off the head. Only in reverse. Press it again, I get reverse. Now I can turn the speed up. I turned it back down. And with that said, even with low speed there, I still can't get it to go to forward. So I'm shutting it off. I need you to resolve a couple things for me. That control, you're supposed to send me the instructions. You didn't send it yet.